This video is recorded and made available in an accessible alternative format upon request. If you require captioning, transcription, or other communication services to access this webinar, please contact Disability Resource Center at drc@snhu.edu or call 877-591-4723. Select option 4. The purpose of this video is to help you with Checkpoint 2, due in Module 4. Just like Checkpoint 1, this is a very important assignment for you because you get 100 points just for submitting it on time. It doesn't have to be correct because you'll receive feedback to help you correct your errors. You get free points just for submitting the assignment on time. So what's due? The final Project 1 worksheet, steps 5 through 7, which consists of the adjusted trial balance, adjusting entries, and the adjusted trial balance. So how do you get started? Go to the accounting cycle instructions file that you used in Module 3 Checkpoint 1. That's the Word file. Scroll to the page with steps 5 through 7. Next, open the accounting cycle worksheet Excel file you used in Module 3 Checkpoint 1. Go to the steps 5 and 7 trial balance page. Step 5 has you prepare the unadjusted trial balance, so you'll use the two columns titled Unadjusted Trial Balance. Now I know you're asking, where can I see an example? You've done one, MyLab. Module 1 Problem 4. You completed this problem in your Module 1 MyLab work. This problem is similar to our case. Part 3, Prepare a Trial Balance, is similar to our Step 5, where we prepare the unadjusted trial balance. The MyLab to Excel videos on the ACC 201 YouTube channel. Those videos take you through the Module 1 Problem 4 in MyLab and show you how you would do those in Excel, just like the project. So let's look at an example. We'll start where we left off with the Module 3 Checkpoint 1. After we entered our transactions into the T accounts, our T accounts looked something like this. What you're looking at here is the example from the MyLab Problem 4 that we put into Excel. Your T account page from Step 4 last week should look similar to this, obviously with different account names and some different numbers. For Step 5, take the balances from your T accounts and put them into the unadjusted trial balance columns like this. Note that each account has either a debit or a credit. They will never have both because all we're pulling is the balances and each account only has a debit balance or a credit balance. When you're done transferring all of your balances, add each column down to get a total. Your debits will always equal your credits. If they don't balance, you know you've done something wrong. You're now ready to move to Step 6. Step 6 has you preparing adjusting entries. On the Step 6 page, you'll see the list of adjustments that need to be made. You'll also see that the first adjustment has been done for you. So let's take a look at the other adjustments. First is the interest adjustment. The case tells us that we're going to accrue the interest on the outstanding note payable. On page 153 of the text, there's an example of an interest accrual adjustment. All we need to know is the amount of the note, the interest rate, and how many months the note has been outstanding when we make the adjustment. Our next adjustment is to record insurance expense for the year. Remember that in Part 1 we prepaid some insurance at the end of July. Now we want to record how much of that insurance we used. We can look at page 144 of the text to see how to record an expense after we initially did a prepaid. Our text example shows us prepaid rent, but the theory is the same. We look at how many months of insurance did we use, what was the amount per month, and we record an expense for that amount and reduce the prepaid for that amount. Our next two adjustments record the supplies we used during the year. We'll have one set of transactions for baking supplies and one set of transactions for miscellaneous supplies. The problem tells us how much of each we have left at the end of the period. On page 145 of the text, we see that we take the amount of supplies we purchased during the period. Here it's titled Office Supplies Before Adjustment, but really it's our unadjusted trial balance amount at September 30. We subtract the remaining at the end of the period, and we see that's what's given in the project, and from that we determine what's been used. The amount we used is what we use as the adjustment. If we were to record the sample entries into our text, from our text into our worksheet, the adjusting entries page would look like this. Your adjusting entries page for step 6 will look similar to this. Now we take our adjusting entries and transfer them to the adjusting entries column on the worksheet. I've traced each one for you. Note that if we don't have an account already listed for one of the entries, we just add a row for that account. You'll see those in blue on the left side of the page. Also, note that once again, our debits column will equal our credits column. Our next step, step 7, is to complete the adjusted trial balance. This part is easy. We just add across. We add the adjusting entries to the unadjusted trial balance to get our ending trial balance. Now note the two items with the red arrows. On these two, the account has a debit balance in the unadjusted trial balance column and a credit adjustment. So we subtract the credit from the debit to get our ending balance. Your final product will look something like this. Again, note your debit column balance equals your credit column balance. So that's it. Do you still have questions? You want to know where to go for help? There are more resources available for you if you need some personal help. We have the webinars and tutors. Click on the tutoring information link in your Blackboard class to find out about webinars and tutors. We have our new learning communities. Click on this and you'll be taken to a learning community that is administered by a faculty member who can answer your questions. You'll see other accounting students in there too, and you can communicate with those students as well. Your instructors. Remember that your faculty are always happy to answer questions. That's what we're here for, and we really like hearing from you. So please don't hesitate to ask if you need help. So to recap, Module 4 checkpoint. 100 points just for submitting it on time. You'll then get feedback from your instructor so you can correct your errors. There's lots of help available for you. And just like with your Module 3 checkpoint, you can do this. So let's get going. Thanks.